Wazico, Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, Nalogi, Dipancha, Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, Nalogi, Dipancha, Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, Nalogi, Dipancha, you are full of destruction. Satan go behind them. Of war, Mataka, Nalogi, Dipancha. She's unhappy. She came for a mission. Just
What's the excitement all about?
Oh, Binatom, oh, Binatom, Imama Chineke, Pori, Yari, Chineke,
What is it?
My baby Nabuelele, I have made arrangements for people that will come and buy everything in this house, all their properties, like everything in their name. Both the one you're signatory to and the one you're not signatory to, everything is settled. Hey!
Chalupa, hold on. Including the ones I am not signatory to?
How? Oh, Che. You won't get how? You don't trust your baby that well. Oh, no. Toto, not me. Toto, I have solution to every problem. You know now. So leave it for me, my friendship. But remember how we are going to share the percentage. Oh. You know me now. I know they joke with my money. I know they joke.
Of course I know. Toto. Thank you. See, words cannot quantify the way I feel.
Yeah.
You're not just a friend. You are a sister to me. I mean, if not for you, I'll still be in darkness.
I know.
Thank you.
It's
I appreciate
okay.
you. I appreciate.
But then might okay. Oh, you know now what our friendship for. Nothing. Can you be my friend? Let me be your friend. I got you anytime, any day. Where is that rat?
That one? I locked him up. He will not eat for 1 week. Yes, he's under punishment. Can you imagine that rat broke my egg? My eggs that I bought with my hard-earned money, he broke it. He will stay inside that room for 1 week. No food.
Jeje.
Yes, sir.
Why are you doing like this? Which one is 1 week? You forgive and 3 months. No food, no water.
3 months?
Oh man, obodo be igwe. Ndi no kwani ade bo chinchin. No. Let me show you. Can go see ki ma na aye ni na na-ekwo kwa na ememe.
Show me.
Hey. I can't wait. Money is coming. Yes, sir.
What's wrong with her?
Haven't you heard what happened to her, Romeo?
What happened to him?
He had an accident yesterday and they rushed him to the hospital.
What?
Yes, I'm telling you. And ever since then, she has not been herself.
Like seriously?
It's what is serious.
My dear. Poor Juliet has really suffered. Ha! She has suffered. Please, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi.
Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. You are full of destruction. Satan go behind them. She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? All because of you. What do you stand to gain? Because her sleepless night. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? The evil has shut up. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Jai, my sister, don't be deceived. Don't allow yourself to be used. This is enemy at work. If I book when should be alone, she's only pretending to be your friend, but she's here to tear you apart. Desist from evil, stop paying evil for good, not the rama. Desist from evil, stop paying evil for good. Remember the judgment day when the Mara away from the regular become Maria. When the Mara away from the regular become Maria. What do you start to gain? Igbo one negi, onyega one negi. What do you start to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her?
It is all part of the process. Little by little, she will get destroyed. And her wealth will become yours. Grab as much as you can because there is no time.
Hey! Otakabiri, the great one, the eyes that sees and knows all. Oyenjeku makage. Ina afu na-eme. Inwe PhD na destruction. Hey! Otakabiri woke. Thank you very much. Eh?
You are welcome.
Chim Gozegi.
You are welcome. Utu keli odi baga wo.
Ko di ka ya.
Mana ko fun ko n'ọnụ. Ike agwunu ya no. Oya ka anyị na-eme no. Anyị sunu utu keli odi ka ga awo mara ma ọkpụkpụ nke ọkpụ n'ọnụ. Okutuo. Igwe ka ọ bụ ajị mmiri na ọkwara afọ. No matter how small a deity is, it must be carried with 2 hands. Oya ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ya. Onye so ọbụrụ obodo mee gịnị? Go! We are going to get it one by one.
Satan, go behind them. Satan, go behind them. Satan, go behind them. You are full of destruction. Satan, go behind them.
I saw myself on the street. I was doing unusual things. I heard some people calling me a mad woman. I was on the heap of dirt. I was playing with dirt. What is wrong with me? Talk to me. What is wrong with me? Look at my body. What is wrong?
Chinkena diga mwamwe Chukune kwegi ntupoe Chukune kwegi ogugwo Ibu chukwo nyolwe bube Abu miyembu bahagie Olori, Elori, Elori, Elori Ibu chukwo nyolwe bube Abu miyembu bahagie Olori, Elori, 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 Elori yo Olori ebiari lobo.
It's okay. Drink up, Mama. Mama, this is the water. Drink. Okay? Mama, why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? This is not time for this. You heard what the doctor said at the clinic. He said you should sleep more and think less. I mean, it's not your fault you had an accident that affected your leg. I know you too well. If not because of this accident, you would have made more effort than you have. Something in me tells me that Auntie Cordelie is still alive. And as for Auntie Cherechi, don't worry about Auntie Cherechi not picking your calls. Once you're better, we are going to figure it out, okay? For now, just worry less. Drink up, please. Have this.
I wanna meet you, Mama. I wanna meet you, Mama. I wanna find you. Mejo Baba Kulonde moi. Hey!
Everything will be fine, okay? Just stop crying.
Oh, Juliet. You know, ever since her Romeo disappeared, she has made tears and sorrows her only companion.
Who knows where those children are? They're the only one that can put smiles on her face.
Right?
Please give me my balance.
What's she looking at?
That's a conjoined picture. Conjoined picture.
I'm seeing twins. Where would you?
Thank you.
Give me gala.
This has fallen apart. Onamwanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara. Alile muwa, Akwalile muwa. This is so strange, so strange. There's a guy Satan go behind them. Of all, but I can't. No longer in the Satan go behind them. We are full of destruction. Satan go behind them.
Cheche, come inside. Oh, he's with him. Cheche, my baby. This has fallen apart, yeah. Ona wanya miri, Papa buzi onyara, Mama buzi onyara, Alile mwa.
She wasn't hit by anything or fall from anywhere.
Nurse. Did I have water in my mouth? When I told you that she was running, all of a sudden, she felt a sharp pain on her leg. Now so, the leg can they grow. There's nothing again.
Well, she's on medication. That will aid ease the pain. The test result of the scan conducted is out as well. You can meet the doctor for further details. Excuse me.
What is happening to me? Why is everybody running away from me? I feel so lonely in this world. I can't even walk into the streets and people will look at me. I can't go to the shops anymore. People are calling me a mad woman. Tutu, it's not true. Will I survive this? Will I die? Tell me, please. Die? Don't even try and mention death here. How will you die? Have you finished what you came to this earth to do? Mbanon, you want to die? You've not even signed those documents that you're signatory to, and you're saying that, will I die? Don't ever say that again. You see your life. If you had transferred all those money to my account, or sign those documents, by now you would have been in Obodo Oyibo, taking proper treatment. But Umba, you want to be here. Okay? No problem. But we'll beg my sister.
Don't help me. My leg is hurting me. Please. My leg is hurting me. Don't help me. Please.
I'm sorry. You'll be fine. Oh? We'll beg you. You'll be fine.
My leg is hurting me.
Sorry. Ndo?
The evil has shut up. Ajamadu, Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer the puncher. Satan go behind them. You are full of destruction. Satan, go behind them. She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? All because of you. What do you stand to gain? Because her sleepless night. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? The evil has shut up. Ajamadu, Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer in the puncher. Satan go behind them. Mataka, no longer in the puncher. Satan go behind them. Jai, my sister, don't be deceived.
Where have you been? I have been looking all over the place for you. Where did you go to? Why did you leave me to suffer all alone? We have been inseparable from birth. Why did you try to separate us? Why? Okay, Ejima. It's okay. I know I'm okay now that you're here. Right? I'm okay now that you're here. I'm okay now that you're here.
No. No! 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 Hey! Wonder shall never end. So, you want to see somebody that almost destroyed you? Somebody who is there planning on how you're going to die? Eh? Oh, how sure are you that she's still alive? I ask you. Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't have your time. See, Cheche, I need you to tell me where all those documents are. Because I've seen buyer. The person that will bring big money and change our lives. Will be smiling and happy. Show me where the documents are. Let me go and bring it.
I want to see Ejimamu. I want to see Kodri. I just want to see her.
What people are wicked. They don't care about people that are always there for them to help them when they need it. Mbanono. It's the people that are not there. They are more concerned. People that want to kill them. Anyway, you're not the first. Even the Bible said it. But no wahala. No problem. I will leave you be here and be crying. I don't blame you.
God, you really want to see you. I want to see you.
Satan, go behind them. Satan, go behind them. Full of destruction. Satan, go behind them. She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? All because of you. What do you stand to gain? Because her sleepless night. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? The evil has shut up. Satan, go behind them.
Yes, I know her. That's Juliet, the popular mad woman that usually stays at Amokwe Junction with another man called Romeo. Both were actually named Romeo and Juliet because of how close they were. But I've not really seen Juliet for a while now. I've not seen her. Okay, yeah, I remember someone said that she saw her at what's that market? Close to the market, near the street, like close to the entrance of the market. Yeah, that way.
I'll see her there.
Yes, you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Why are you looking for her? Are you close to her, or do you know anybody close to her? Hello? Excuse me, ma, can you talk to me? Hello, ma. You can tell me why you want.
Thank you.
Because of what she had.
Hello, ma.
You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? All because of you. What do you stand to gain? Because her sleepless night. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? The evil has shut up. Satan, go behind them. Satan, go behind them. Satan, go behind them. Mataraka, no longer the My sister, don't be deceived. Don't allow yourself to be used. This is enemy at work. If I book when should be all.
Why do you need me to suffer all this alone? Why?
That's your here.
I know I'm fine. I'm fine, right? Yes, I'm fine. Don't leave me again.
Leave me again, Ejima.
I have been deceived. I have been deceived. If I fakochiriganya, emesi oga macha. Ozosia, Lucia, emesi oga macha. If I fakochiriganya, emesi oga macha. Aririma, mayera mujendija. Ejimamo, Ejimantemo, Ebekino, Anama Jogi, Ejimantemo, Ebekino, Anama Jogi, Ejimantemo, Ebekino, Anama Jogi, Some people want to know our secret. Some people want to know what they give us joy. They say they want to be like us. People they ask me what I see in you. I just smile. I'm welcome now. I just laugh. You are my everything. No. You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my little. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. This is still love, oh. Love on a sugar sugar. I could miri mancha, true love. Oh. You are my heart and soul.